Today's the last day.
Yep.
I didn't even realize how short this dorm was.
Oh yeah, no. A lot of the doors are like this. So
Really?
If I stand up, bang my head. This was our room for the last almost a week.
Yeah, the light is cool.
It's actually super uncomfortable, but
These beds are the most uncomfortable Airbnb beds so far.
and it's pretty loud. Like we're literally right across the street from the train station, so you can hear the train go by all night. But other than that, I mean, it was a place to stay. We were out most of the day, so. And this place was a decent deal. It was probably cheaper than a lot of places nearby. So. And as close to the city as you could be.
Yeah, it was worth it.
Yeah, so unfortunately, heading back home. Hope you guys enjoyed the Japan content. We still have a little bit left of the day. We don't leave till the afternoon, so we're gonna head down towards the airport and then figure out what to do. I'm not too sure if we're gonna vlog it, but we do want to at least go eat something, and then we'll probably walk around the airport for a little bit before the flight, so stay tuned.
Oh, look at this fan. Okay, you ready? You've been practicing for this?
Been practicing. Regular gasoline mantan.
Good job.
He already knew. He's like, okay, full, okay. This is it. It's the last stretch. Filling up, heading to one more Upgarage, and then we're heading to the airport. Hopefully have some lunch before we get on that airplane. Back to good old California.
Whoa. What are these cars back here? Oh, sick. Oh, babe. Bailey.
This one is actually kind of cool, actually.
This one is super cool.
It's actually really cool. I mean, it was just sick. I mean, they're all cool, but this is pretty cool. This one's actually nice, so.
Yeah,
like,
this
sick.
one is nice.
Sick.
Sick. Even this little thing. Is this a chimney? I wonder why the hood scoop thing is on only this side. The last Upgarage. These are some super tiny T37s. What size are they? Oh, they're 4x100. What is it? Oh, 16 and 15. Oh, it's a staggered pair. Oh, 6J and 7J. This is so tiny. Nothing much in the wheel department. I'm gonna try to go upstairs. Oh, here's Bradley. Do you guys find stuff?
We're just bought some more seat brackets and
Just like accessories.
extension stuff for my windshield wipers and blinkers.
Anything cool?
This is more of a tire shop, that's why. So their part section is really small.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's still really cool.
Oh, I didn't look at the seats yet.
So this is what they have. I'm assuming in the back.
Oh,
But-
why are they so cheap?
Look at this brick. It's an old brick, see, but it's like $100. It's like basically $100 bucks. A little over $100 bucks. Just need to get a rear poster. But even this Recaro.
I didn't know that Recaro made leather seats.
This Recaro right here is like 600 maybe.
Oh.
$600. It's super clean.
This one's nice.
SR7. This is SR3. This is for like a Type R. Super bust. And this is only like 300 something for it.
This one is super bust. I don't really need anything. If anything, I just wanted to get a couple of the interior trim pieces, but I guess S14 stuff is not that easy to come by, or at least when the ones that we went to, I haven't seen a lot of S14 stuff. Vienna R32 GTR stuff. I don't know what it is though. I don't know what this is, but it says R32 GTR. It has to be something small because it's only 2,000, but I don't know what it is.
They got 240 diffs, the R200, 2,000 R200.
Oh, for 15,000?
Yeah, that's like $100 bucks for a whole diff. We got SR covers, the valve covers.
Oh,
Yeah, they need it. Look, two-way. What is this for? I don't know the prices, but typically they're pretty cheap too.
FD Origin fenders for 7,000 yen. And what is this? They had.
Oh, this might be a Honda Rocket Bunny.
Oh wow.
I don't know what. ZN686 FRS. Probably Rocket Bunny.
What about 500,000?
They don't have my hood I want here.
1,000?
Oh no, they don't have it. I guess it's kind of hard because we're looking for certain specific things.
Yeah, it's pretty much like an automotive thrift store, so you can't go into one and expect to find exactly what you need.
Yeah.
Like the car's already built, we just need like small little things.
Yeah.
And we could buy it brand new, but it's cool to come and check it out. But we didn't find really much of anything that we needed, so
Yeah, but it's cool to come.
yeah, super cool.
Bradley done bought so much stuff, but they're trying to check it in right now. So they bubble wrap everything, so hopefully we get on the plane. We have about 2 more hours till we start boarding, so I think this should be fine.
They're happy.
Me?
So it's been pretty hectic, but me and Christine found a little ramen spot right near the gate that we'll be flying out of. So our flight actually boards in like 10 minutes, so we're trying to get a little meal in before then. But this place is pretty cool.
We also got, they had an at-home kit, and it was only 1,400 yen.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
That's dope.
So I think it's the Akamaru, which I think I ordered the same one, and then I don't know what this one is, and this one looks like
That one looks like the spicy one that I wanted to get, but I didn't know if that was a good idea to get it 12 hours for a 12-hour flight. Arigatou gozaimasu. Oh, perfect timing. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ooh, okay guys, we're gonna pound this real quick. Taste test. Ooh, it's hot, 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 hot. Oh, hot, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, they literally just finished making it right now. But I already had one bite. And it's pretty mean.
Damn. It's so hot. How do you feel? We're leaving Japan.
I feel grateful. I feel blessed. I feel excited to have experienced everything that we did. We experienced like a ton of stuff in the last 2 weeks, so it's gonna be a good time to sit back and just take it all in after when we start like editing the footage and stuff, because for us it was just like non-stop.
Yeah.
Like, it was a vacation, but we didn't vacation. You know what I mean? We didn't rest. So. We vacation, but we never vacate. You know that?
Yeah, we didn't sleep a lot.
Yeah, I felt like we didn't sleep a lot. We're always constantly waking up early. Like even the days that was gonna be like our sleep-in day, we still woke up early to try and get stuff done as far as like going out and seeing stuff. So I'm really excited to see the footage. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage, because by now you guys should have already seen it. But yeah, I'm excited to come back. It's the first of many trips. We met a lot of cool people, hung out with a lot of cool people, seen a lot of cool cars, ate a lot of good food, had a lot of good experiences. So by that, we are truly blessed. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Stay good.